Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be running a Western Hunter-Gatherer sample, Labrana sample, through my Nashakot tool. This is my Nashakot tool. My Nashakot tool uses like 40 or 50 different SNPs to predict the phenotype of a sample based on their DNA. It works with microarray files, so 23andMe, MyHeritage, Ancestry. It does not work with BAM files, and this was originally a BAM file. I had to convert it to 23andMe format in order to use it. So I actually converted a lot of samples like this. That's why it's a big folder. But this is a Labrana sample. I got it from European Nucleotide Archive. It's this sample. And you can see where it is located. It is this one. It is this sample, Labrana 2. Just for the fun, let's see where it was located, because this is kind of interesting. YouTube, no, maps. Yeah. Oh, docs, I doxed myself, I doxed where I live. I don't care. I don't care. You can pay me a visit. So this is where this sample is from. It's from northern Spain, and um, in terms of the age, how old it is. Let's see. Where's the age? The age has got to be somewhere here. Yep, that's the age. So it's super old. It's 6K before Christ. Super old before Common Era, but it's really before Christ. It's basically Mesolithic, I think. Is it Mesolithic or Neolithic? I don't know. They kind of blend in together. This is the sample on phenotype YSEC phenotype. Oh, my tool is done. Okay, so on YSEC phenotype, it's predicted as having. By the way, people say Labrana. Look at this. They say a Stone Age Spaniard had blue eyes, dark skin. Do you see dark skin here? I don't see any dark skin over here. In fact, I don't think the likelihood of them having dark skin would be very much, considering that they had GG in this SNP HERC2. I don't think there's much of a likelihood of them having dark skin, but I also don't think there's much of a likelihood of them having blue eyes, as this phenotype YSEC tool predicts. Because look at the prediction here, 70% blue eyes. I don't think that's the case. Let's see what my tool predicts. My tool predicts, in comparison to YSEC, a 1.3% likelihood of blue eyes, which I think is much more likely, because look at this. Where's this one? Look at this. They had um, two ancestral alleles in both of these SNPs, SLC45A2. This is a very major gene in terms of eye color and hair color. It's if you have two ancestral alleles in this gene, you are not gonna have blue eyes. Let me tell you that much. Not gonna have blue eyes. So what's the highest category here? The highest category here is actually hazel eyes. So most likely this individual did not have blue eyes and dark skin. Most likely this individual had this type of skin tone and hazel eyes, which is what I've been saying for ages. But now I actually have the genome to prove it. In terms of nose shape, likelihood of snub nose, 56%, which is really understandable. In terms of hair color, likelihood of black hair, 43%. The highest likelihood of is that he has black hair. In terms of, let's see at the actual SNPs. So here, number of light hair alleles. Once again, you see SLC45A2. This is why he did not have blue eyes. There's no way. There's no way that with this genotype he had blue eyes. There's just no way. He has one derived allele in IRF4, which I also observed in Narva and other hunter-gatherer individuals. He had two derived alleles in TIRP1, which I also observed in Narva and other hunter-gatherer individuals. Very much derived OCA2, which is surprising once again. Let's see, what about the eye color? Yes, oh my god, wow, that's crazy. Look at that, all the OCA2 are derived. And by the way, my theory about this BEH3 HERC2 SNP, the one that I talked about in my YouTube video about the phylogenetic tree of blue eyes. I think this theory goes out the window, because this Labrana individual had two derived alleles here. So There is no way this is a very recent mutation. This must be a more ancient mutation. So yes, my theory kind of does go out the window. Um, it's very interesting. He had no light eye alleles here, which is I think this is one of the SNPs that play a big role in predicting blue eyes with a neighbor center versus blue eyes. But if you look at this genotype, really this is somebody who has hazel eyes. This is somebody who's probably got hazel or green eyes. These are the two biggest categories. Or maybe you can add blue with a neighbor center here, but definitely not blue. So if you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.